Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Okay, I just got off of work. I'm looking a little beat. I know you guys don't care, but that's why my hair looks like this and why my face is a little, I wore that elephant palette today, so looking a little glowy. But I wanted to get this one out of the way. This is a double Rebel Misfit unbagging. So what happened was, I started the subscription in July and I did a 3-month prepay. So I thought my subscription was going to renew in October, but I noticed I didn't get the October packet. Then I got an email saying, hey, your subscription is going to renew in November. And I was like, okay, cool. But I reached out to her on Instagram and told her the situation, and then she just asked for my name and said that she would throw the October package in with my November package. So I ended up getting both. So I'm super excited because I really did like the October one from the photos that she was posting. So I got my little holographic mailer here and we are going to dive right in. If this is your first Rebel Misfit unbagging video with me, it's kind of like a Crate Joy subscription. You get 3 to 5 pieces of alternative inspired jewelry. Super, super cute. Never been disappointed with all the bags that I've received so far. So I'm sure that these are going to be super cute. Let's go ahead and unbag. So I did get 2 months. One of them is October and one of them is November. Let's just go ahead and start with this one. So this is the card. So on the back, it shows you all of the pieces that you're going to get. And my Kara 15 discount code is still available. So I will link Rebel Misfit's Crate Joy shop in the description box below. And you can enter Kara 15 to receive 15% off one bag or a subscription service or however you want to do it. So this one for October is the All Hallows Evil Eye set, which I'm super excited about. So let's go ahead and get these pieces since we have another bag going here. Here are all of the pieces. And of course, we gotta eat the candy. I'm kind of doing low carb right now, so this is definitely, I'll have just like a little piece. Oh, look, it kind of matches my background. Yep. Good old green watermelon. Let's get into the All Hallow Eve's Evil Eye set. You do get a little card with instructions on how to care for these pieces. Oh, God. So looks like the first piece is a All Hallows Eve Evil Eye set premonition necklace. Let's go ahead and open this baby up so we can get a good look at it. Oh, okay, longer chain than I thought. I thought this would be like a little choker with how the card is. So you can see it's a Rebel Misfit branded card. Here is the, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I love this service. It is so cute. I get new pieces every month so I can like switch them up. Oh, look, it kind of matches my little eye that I'm wearing right there. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So silver tone, very cute little eye with the lashes, crown. Oh, I love that though. Super cute. Very happy about that. The next piece is a All Hallows Eve Evil Eye Intentions ring. So I know you can't really see that in the pack. So let's open this baby up. Oh, super, super cute. This is like a little silver eye ring. This one does not look adjustable. So maybe it's going to be, well, okay, hold on. Let me take my moon ring off. Let's go ahead and set this. Oh yeah. Oh, super cute. Oh, I love that. That is super cute. That can be a cute little stacker. Or I was gonna say it might be able to be a midi ring, but it's a little bit big for me to use as a midi ring, but I will totally sport that. There is no question about it. Super, super cute. And then the last piece in this box, not labeled, but you can see it's a pair of earrings. Let me take them out of the pack for you guys. Oh my God, I fucking love these. I love these. Oh my God. Little silver heart shaped with the eye. Oh my God, I love these so much. Oh, those are gonna be so pretty. Okay, all right. Super glad I reached out to her on Instagram and I got this set, man. Oh my gosh, like I love these. These are super cute. So let's see, the October All Hallows Eve eye set for like 13 or 15 bucks or something like that. You get the little eye necklace, super adorable, very stunning. You get the little cute eye ring to go with it. And then you get these gorgeous heart and eye earrings. Oh, I love their earrings. Like I have all of my earrings like hanging up on a board, and I always gravitate towards the Rebel Misfit earrings because they're so stunning. They're so different, but they're like kind of understated, some of them. But these are super, super cute. I cannot wait to wear these. All right, let's go ahead into the November packet. The November set is the November Night Slayer set. Oh, cool name. Love it so much. Not gonna open this one, doesn't match my background. Got the care card. Let's go. Oh God. There's another ring. Oh, this one is so stunning. Let's get this out of the pack for you. This one is adjustable on the Rebel Misfit card. Oh, look how beautiful that is. It's like a heart with the rays coming out of it and a star in the center. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love that. Great size, super lightweight, very, very cute. Love this, love it, love it. All right, the next thing is the link up earrings. So this looks like a pretty plain set of chain link earrings. Very similar to the Louis Vuitton ones I showed in my DH Gate video a couple videos ago, but they're just some plain chain link earrings. They have a little bit of weight to them, so pretty nice quality. Yeah, I like those. Those will definitely be a nice little plain piece. Very, very cute. And then the final item is the Rose Reaper layered necklace. Let's go ahead and open this bitch up because she looks absolutely amazing. All right. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a double layered necklace. So it's got like a rope chain in silver and then a regular box chain, but look at that charm. It's a rose with like a sickle, however you say that. Oh my God, freaking gorgeous, guys. I mean, look at that thing. So pretty, man. I don't know if I'm in the right mind right now. Oh, look, you can wear them separately. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. This is so pretty. Let's go ahead and just put this one on, and you can imagine if I'm layering it. Oh yeah, that is super pretty. Nice close up of that on the, oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that, that is so gorgeous. I can even layer it with my regular evil eye necklace. Of course, you can always layer it with this rope chain. Oh, I love it. I love that so much. So for the November Night Slayer set, we did get the little rose necklace with the layered rope chain. We got the gorgeous heart ring that kind of matches with like the whole theme. And then we did get the linked up earrings. So this is your set for November. Super happy with all of this, guys. Like I can't even like, I am just so excited to get things in the mail, and then when they are totally up my alley, it's just even better. I can't wait to sport all of this. Everything that I've ever received from Rebel Misfit has just been stellar. I love this company. I love the jewelry. It's so cute. It's super affordable, so you get to change it up every now and then. I have some pieces that I received in the past months that I wear almost daily. I mean, I am in love with their pieces. Again, I will link Rebel Misfit's store in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check her out. Lots of really cool things. And right now they're doing like a haul grab bag thing for the holidays. I think it's like 75 bucks with free shipping and you get 25 pieces that I think you can pick out. I'm not sure. Head over to her website and check it out. There's so many awesome things and they're all individually wrapped. So she says that if you buy the bag of 25 of them, you can parse them out as like different gifts and keep some for yourself. So super cute idea. Bunny approved. That's all I have for you today, guys. Short and sweet for ya. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below if you like any of these things, that would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.